like Temba Zwane, Mokoena, Persital. These guys that get so say yes, we don't see what they do, they come. But I dey expect the Super Eagles normally to, clip the Bafana wings come Wednesday. And I go predict a 2-0 victory to the Super Eagles. Victor Osimhen to score.
The nice thing around Nigeria now is say before Nigeria they predict 2-1, 1-1 or something. But now the fact that we always they predict that clean sheet, 2-0.
Because we don't grow from the competition. Our team play don't grow. Our organization with the CM, our solidity for the team, not be just only the defense alone. The defense don't take boy like Oga Nelson go talk. The defense take boy normally, but the whole unit, the way the team they defend, when they defend, everybody they go back to defend the ball. Even the forwards, you see the way Simon Moses they track back. You see the way Ademola Lookman they track back. You see the way Victor Osimhen they can't defend set pieces. So the